Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.